Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Today, we'll get story we want to talk about. And this story now a little sad, or not be a little, it is very, very sad. And these two couple, when they see so, the two of them don't turn arrow IP for inside Nigeria. My people, wetin happen to this beautiful or cute couple? They say na fuel, na I say fuel generator, na cause their early, na cause their quick comot for this world. Like na make them quick comot for this world, na make them turn arrow IP, my people. Okay, how it take happen? These two couple wey una dey see for here now, dem don already turn arrow IP. They say dem get one generator wey dem put for house, for flat wey dem dey, and e never tey wey these two couple relocated from Europe. Dem come say na dem wan go start life for Nigeria, and na last year ending for here na dem come Nigeria finally. So the fuel wey dey, that is the this thing wey dey buy, the generator wey dey buy, no be that one wey dey mat put for outside. Na the one wey dey put for inside compound. Una know say all this are better pass my neighbor generator. So people dey use am take dey sleep. They go carry am enter house, make thief for no thief and all those type of thing. So as fuel come, be like say fuel come finish, e come off by itself for night. So the two of them come inhale the fuel, this thing, the frame enter inside body. And these two couple now, as they only reach the area, they very, very popular for that area where people you like them, they all like they are doing the way they all take they do their own, they go. You understand? So like as they carry their food, their what do they call it, their what's it called, generator put for inside kitchen. This thing na eye open to other people. Abeg, thief am, e better pass, because we know say everybody must turn RIP one day, but at least we go still old. We go darugbo, like Yoruba people used to say it. You understand? So wetin we dey talk about na be say this these two couple, they come put this generator for kitchen. So they put am for kitchen now, and e still dey inside the same compound, because na flat na dem dey. So they put am for inside kitchen, and na the frame of the generator, as e finish, like sleep, be like say sleep take there. You understand? Because if sleep not take them, not sure say this thing they will turn RIP, because this thing still dey happen for Europe. E get some gas where they take the, where they call riscadamenti, where they take the riscado inside house. That's if cold day. Many people don't turn RIP because of that something. They will on and down, so sleep will overtake them. And so you just be like this generator with the Nigeria. So this thing now, the woman, these people now, they come put them for inside house. As they put them for inside their kitchen, sleep can't take them, based on say maybe a heat day or mosquito day. You understand? So they don't want me the fan blow there, or the AC and everything. And these two people now, they can't forget the AC. They can't forget the generator to offer for inside house. They not can remember to offer. So wetin can happen, my people, as they break, these two couple come turn RIP. You understand? As I dey tell una so. Now after some days, na neighbor come take notice and say, where this new couple, where your new enter this compound, where they jovial, where they just dey greet people, and they all new come from Obodo Ibo. You understand? So and wetin that is, they never see them, and it good sometimes if you dey area. It's good to be nice to people. You understand? So it pay me say these people not dey alive again. So therefore, people will check on them. Therefore, Therefore, thank them, you understand, because of the way they take they good to the people and their way of behaving, you understand. So you know, say person we don't dey Europe before, and people with Africa, their character different. The man say some people get character dirty for here, but if they reach Africa, you get the way they will still take mind their own business. Now once you take no say this one a jando. So are these two people now, they not see them, or a day, 2 days, 3 days, they not see them. Now they come say, their car they outside, but they never see all these people. Sometimes they hear their music and everything, all those things. They not hear anything. Then the neighbor come say, make they go peep whether anything happen. If not me, I will still do the same thing, you understand? Because if you see the person wey they see every time, you not come hear the person voice again. At least from morning to evening, go and check on the person. Make you know whether all is well. Maybe the person feel they sick just now. You never can tell. You understand? So just go knock. Make you know how the person dey. You understand? If you knock, you'll see say maybe the person dey in good time. Maybe your day tired, day on holiday. One just leave alone. One just day on you. You understand? One your day in your day. Or maybe the person not well, or the person don't turn RIP. So these two couple, now wetin happen to them be this one. So as the people reach there now, they see say these people not open window. They knock, they peep. And I come say, this thing get as it be. How come person go just their car? They don't even see here one they say the driver, they're driving and all those type of things, you understand? So what if they come do? Now they come knock, break the door, enter. As they break the door, enter, behold, my people, oh my God, these two people don't turn RIP for grand. See the way they take fat for grand. When they rush, come they find waiting they happen before they come call police, call everything. They come say generator dey kitchen. So now that one na it cause, and a lot of people, this generator of a thing don't take many people to RIP. You understand? And Nigeria government, they no one care, they no one do anything about this generator of a thing. You just be like say they just born Nigeria, or they create create that generator. They no care about with the Nigerians anymore. If you not feel you there one room, or you even they manage you they share a room together, if you not even buy generator, you that is just like two people dey the same house now, you fit get one generator, the other one fit get. If you not get, forget, you be poor man for that Nigeria. Now maybe they can't give one a better pass my neighbor. Since when light takes spoil for Nigeria, when they take they share light one street 2 days, the other street 2 days in a week, Nigeria government no care again. Now they cause all this calamity put for ground. Now they cause all these things. If to say light dey, what you concern person concern generator when they come the mat for house, room to room. Imagine if you even go inside market, generator to even make call. Maybe you want buy something, you want call your person for Europe, say I want buy this thing for you. See how much they say it cost. You know go here because generator go they do the other one they do the other one they do you understand? So now our government now it cost all these things, and they're not ready to even how they want to ban this generator of a thing. Even the Igbo people will do generator, they know they use and the way we Nigerians say they use them. And those big men wey get the apartments, that is big house, maybe now let them use they stay. So the one where they mat for house, where they build house for that one, you go see that smoke where they come out, and now it turn these two people to RIP. So that smoke now, that big one where they mat for outside, that one they come outside. If it dey inside house, it dey very, very dangerous. You understand? And the kitchen, and maybe they not lock the door, even though they lock and the under the frame, this thing, the whether na frame and being this thing, go they pump come outside, and you see the way they black. If you go big man house, or you go this big company, or you go what they call them hotel, all the big supermarket, you will see those big generators, the way they take mat and put for outside, and now those frames where they pump come outside, it not good at all. It not good when person they inhale put for inside body. So from night in daybreak, and I know say people where jando way come from Europe, even though you go settle down for Africa, or you new come, it will take you some time before that heat will master you. You understand? Because if you see people who come from Europe, no, you will just see them, they don't dey farm themselves, you understand? Heat dey Europe, but the one wey dey Africa na extraordinary, you understand? So we don't know how government want to assist our Nigeria. We don't know how our Nigerian government want to assist us. Make they take stop this what say they call a generator. Make they give us light, because many people don't turn ROIP because of this thing. Imagine people wey comot for here now, nothing happen to them, but as they reach Africa, palaba come. And I know say we Africa, they always dey talk say ensure say maybe this thing wey happen now no be ordinary. Now waiting with the always dey talk, no be ordinary hand, no be fine. We know, because Africa people, they're too wicked, you understand? Most of them, they're too wicked. Jealousy is too much. Imagine that video when I first do that few days ago, when person put something for inside in fellow person food, where the person still use the hard-earned money to cook, person come turn ROIP. All those kind of things na bad thing, my people. So now understand. So maybe these people now, they feel your call them now, maybe they come turn them to ROIP. Maybe now out of jealousy, I don't know, but two things involved for here. If not be their family, now turn these people to ROIP, because Nigeria, Africa is too whether they what thing they call diabolic, they are too much, you understand? Or na government, you understand? Because I will talk say na government na turn these two people to ROIP, because if like they constantly, just like the way they for Europe, all these people for no, they for still they alive till now, you understand? They for never delete. So the thing they very, very painful. I beg, if you know say you get that generator for house, it better make the tifa chain now, just like the way that they do for Obodo Ibo for here. If you put bicycle for outside, you chain now join something. I know say things are hard, but now it better pass, so that make your life was safe. You understand? So my people, I don't have much to say. It dey very painful to just see two couple like this say they your turn ROIP just few months ago for inside 2020 for here. Now they go relocate, go Africa, say they want go stay for Nigeria. So my people, I beg, make una no vex say I no hail una and the way the matter they hold me. So I beg, if today happens to be the first time where they come across this video, or you fairly watch, you never subscribe, I beg me you try, may you subscribe by hitting the notification bell, so that anytime I tell they upload, you will be the first person where they go they wire my video go they give. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, I say you are welcome to this wonderful platform. And to my returning subscriber, oh my God, God bless you for being a pillar and a supporter to this family. I cherish you guys so much. God bless you all. Please yield to this advice. As you do so, God bless you. Stay blessed and remain blessed. Choose everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.